Here is the outcome of the snow. Big block of ice. The whole street just going up in my driveway. Block of ice. Whole thing. This is my driveway, y'all. This is what snow does and once it melted. So y'all be careful out there who's in the snowy area. Be careful. Because when you think it's not ice, it's ice, okay? So just be careful. All the children still had to come to school. They didn't want to, but they had to. Oh, God. And yes, it's ice on the ground. Whew. They call it themselves had a 2-hour delay. Look at this is what outside's looking like, y'all. Whew. Icy, y'all. Icy. So y'all please be careful. Look at that. Ice. The next clip y'all will see a guy walking. Is being very careful. Terrible. It's just a mess out here, and people out here driving act like it's no ice on the ground. Let me hurry up and get myself back in the house, y'all. Hey, my YouTube world, my Weesie Nation family. Okay, y'all. Y'all see that Christmas tree is still up, and we're about to take it down. Decorate this whole dining room area. But first, let's go inside the kitchen so we can wash up some dishes that I didn't wash last night. I want y'all to come on along with me and wash some dishes, okay? I hope y'all okay with that. But we're not just gonna be washing dishes. Y'all gonna be listening to some good old music as we wash, okay? So let's go. got this from Shein. Sorry, hold on. Okay, y'all, I got this from Shein. And I'm finally about to put it on the faucet. And let's see how it works. Okay, come with this and these two items here. Okay, so assuming we're gonna put this on to the tip, I guess. Then this goes, and then this screws on. Ooh. Okay, the order to do, so I have to take this off. Uh-oh. Oh, I do it like this. Let's see. How does it work, y'all? Okay, this goes on like this or like that. Guess it goes on like that, like this. Okay. Oh, okay, like this. Then this. Okay, I take this back off and put this on. The world. Then put this on. Y'all help me. Oh, okay. Goes in the inside like that. Like that. Then you put this on. My God. Like this. Y'all, I'll be back. I'll be back once I get this on, okay? Y'all, this is one time I need some instructions, okay? Because I don't know how does this works with these pieces. These pieces here. How does it go on? Where's my instruction? I'll be back, y'all. As y'all can see, I finally got the faucet on. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell more friends to come on over to Mama Weesie channel. And don't forget to click that end screen so you can see the next video. Let me know in the comments, have anybody tried this before? And I'm about to show y'all something else. What is the moose munch? What is that, y'all? Moose munch?